Hi, my name is Naveen and I had worked in Zynga India before as a software engineer.
Naveen, tell us about the different stages that you went through during the recruitment process of Zynga.
So the recruitment process of Zynga was mainly into three parts. So the first part was an online coding challenge in which it also had multiple choice questions as well. So there were 20 multiple choice questions which were mostly focused on data structures, as well as there were some programming snippets. We need to find the output of that. And there are two more questions which were into data structures. So one of them was how do you merge two lists. So you have to write a program for that, any programming language you want to use. And there was one more basic question on data structures. Uh, Moving to the second round, there was a first panel of interview, which had mostly questions again from data structures and a bit of logic. So the data structure question that I faced was how do you reverse a linked list, or something like what is the common ancestor of two nodes in a tree. There's one more question was let's say that you have to implement the browser back and forward button. So how do you implement that? What is the linked list? What is the data structure will you use to do that? So the answer was doubly linked list, and you have to explain how does it work. There was one more round, the last round, which was again an interview round for me. That interview was mostly concentrated on the projects that I've done in the past. So I had an experience of working in a project at IBM ISL Bangalore, and so the project discussion was going on, and what are the technologies I have used to implement a project, what are the issues that I've encountered, and what are the challenges that I've faced. And there was one more question about data structures, but it was definitely a bit. The level was actually higher than the previous round. And finally, there was an HR screening round, which happened not in the room, which was actually outside into the fields, and it was mostly into what are the interests of mine, and why do I want to join Zynga, and how will I be benefited, and how will Zynga be benefited if I join Zynga.
So, Naveen, how is the recruitment process of Zynga different from other companies according to your point of view?
Prior to Zynga, there were so many companies which came to our campus. I'll talk about the screening round, the first round, in which you have multiple choice questions or you have a coding round. Zynga was completely focused into computer science questions in the first round. Even if you see the multiple choice questions, it was completely into computer science, which actually is good as compared to other companies which came. I will not. There are so many companies which gives you multiple choice questions which are not focused on computer science, which will be something like people who are actually preparing for CAT will be able to easily do that. And I think Zynga and Microsoft were the two companies in which I faced interviews were actually good at this part. There's one more point that I would like to put is the HR round of Zynga. Usually, what happens like anyone coming out from the college, they don't have that confidence that what will the culture of the company. So they have this like there will be too restrictive environment. But I think it's the job of the HR to actually comfort the candidates and tell them, okay, this is not what we're expecting. It will be a friendly culture, and and make the candidate understand what are the requirements of the company, and also what company needs from the candidates from both the sides.
What are the areas of strength in a particular candidate that Zynga was looking at?
So Zynga mostly like it's a tech driven company. So obviously the first strength that they were actually looking at is the problem solving skills of the candidate, because in the day to day environment in Zynga, obviously you face so many issues that you cannot solve in a day or two. Might take you months to actually get a solution of that, and that is what they are looking into, whether you can, given a problem, can you solve that particular problem or not tactically. That is what I think was the most important thing. By problem solving, what I mean is, given a particular problem, whether you can put data structures or algorithms in place to build the final solution, which might not be right, but at least to some extent it gives you a fair, clear picture of what I want to achieve. And there was one more thing from the personality side, which I think was very important. Is A question was actually asked to me by the HR that how do I see, like where do I see myself after 5 years in Zynga, and which was a very good question, because I think they were really trying to understand like what are my priorities in life, whether I really want to be a part of Zynga family or not, and if I become a part of Zynga families, where will I want to see myself after 5 years.
So, Naveen, how many offers did Zynga finally extend at your campus?
So there were total five offers, confirmed offers from computer science and engineering branch. There was one more offer which was on waitlisted, but after that, I think after 2 3 days, it got cancelled.
Are there any tips you would offer to candidates who are looking to enter Zynga in this coming year?
I think the first tip would be to go through certain websites to make sure that you are comfortable with interview rounds. So first is careercup.com, and the other would be Geeks for Gigs, which are primarily focused on interviews. Not only for Zynga, but it has got interview rounds from almost all the type of companies, starting from Facebook, Microsoft, Zynga, almost all premium companies on that. And the other would be to try to keep your resume clean. Don't put too many things which you don't think that you know, because it's very easy for them to find out whether you actually know those things or not. And the last tip would be to make sure that you put all the projects that you have done. Projects actually shows the strength that you have, and if it is summer or winter project, it will actually help you a lot.